Assalamu alaikum. Hello and warm welcome to all of you. Dear students, today I am here with the part 5 of Geography chapter number 5, Industries. Friends, in the previous lecture, we had discussed about industrial region and industrial disaster. We had discussed one of the worst industrial disaster of all time occurred in Bhopal in the Union Carbide factory. Thousands of people, they lost their life, and number of people, they are suffering of many diseases. Another incident happened on 23rd December 2005 due to the gas well blowout in China. Many people died and many people were injured in this incident. Students, industries are necessary in our daily life. It provides number of people opportunity of employment. Even thousands of products manufactured by industries we are using in our daily life. But here you have to keep in mind one thing. Sometime worse disaster also occurred in these industries. So here I would like to discuss some measures to reduce the risk at a time of industrial disaster. Number one, densely populated residential areas should be separated far away from the industrial areas. This is very important steps to reduce the risk at a time of industrial disaster. We have to establish industries far away from residential area. Government also provide guideline for establishment of industries far away from residential area. But here you have to keep in mind industrialization and urbanization go hand to hand. Where there is industrialization, there is a great possibility of urbanization. Thousands of people are getting opportunity of employment in industries. So they start to live nearby industrial region. Even for the development of backward area, industries are providing number of facilities, transport facilities, road facilities, electricity facilities, health and education facilities. So people start to live nearby industrial region to get the benefit of such facilities. So we can say that industrialization and urbanization go hand to hand. But here we are talking major steps to reduce the risk at a time of industrial disaster. So first and most important step is densely populated residential areas should be separated far away from industrial areas. Due to this, we are able to reduce the risk at a time of industrial disaster. Number two, people staying in the vicinity of industries should be aware of storage of toxins or hazardous substances and their possible effect in case if an accident occurs. Those people who are living in nearby industrial region, these people should be aware of storage of toxin, poisonous chemical or hazardous substances and their possible effect in case if an accident occurs. People have to aware about this situation, about the possible effect of poisonous gas, hazardous substances at a time of accident. If an accident occurs, people have knowledge how to cope at the time of accident, how to face the situation at the time of accident. Number three, fire warning and fighting systems should be improved. At a time of fire or at a time of accident, people should get reminder with alarm system. If industry caught in fire or any other accident occur, so there should be a good alarm system. With a reminder of alarm, people try to leave the place as early as possible so we can reduce the loss of lives. So there should be a good fire warning system and fighting system in the region of industry. Number 4, storage capacity of toxic substance should be limited. Those industries which are involved in manufacturing in the production of toxic substances, poisonous chemical, hazardous substances. So the storage of these hazardous substances in industries should be limited. If more storage of such hazardous substances is there, so at the time of accident, these substances are more harmful because of their great quantity. So storage capacity of these hazardous toxic substances should be limited. Here might you have the question, why they are manufacturing, why they are producing hazardous substances. So students, these chemicals, these hazardous substances are useful to us in many ways. So those industries who are producing these hazardous substances, the storage of these hazardous substances should be limited. Number 5, pollution dispersion qualities in industries should be improved. All industries are responsible for pollution. Industries are responsible for different kind of pollution. Due to the industries, noise pollution is there, air pollution is there, water pollution is there, soil pollution is there. Because industries are responsible for different kind of pollution. Industries are discharging industrial waste, chemical waste, onto the soil, into the water. Without processing. So these industrial waste are harmful for all living creature. So pollution dispersion qualities in industries should be improved. Even Industries are not allowed to discharge industrial waste without proper treatment into water onto the soil. So these are the some steps to reduce the risk at a time of industrial disaster. Students, with this, I would like to conclude my today's lecture. Inshallah, we will meet again very soon with a new topic of the same chapter. Allah Hafiz.